Ever wonder how tractors keep highways clear during blizzards like this? A winter service vehicle, or snowplow, is built to fight back against ice and snow. Roads can freeze in minutes, making highways impassable without these powerful machines. Most plows are built on heavy tractor chassis, fitted with blades that push snow aside while spreading salt or brine for traction. Plow teams often work in groups of 5, clearing entire roads in synchronized formation. Operators work up to 5 hours straight in freezing temperatures, maintaining speeds under 45 miles per hour to stay safe. Behind every clear winter road is a team of plow operators working through storms to keep everyone moving safely. Would you brave a blizzard in one of these machines? Comment below.